they live in there.
Those are pigeons up there.
I think they live under there.
They do. That's their nest.
Hey, they're making pigeon noises. What are you, pigeons?
Can you hear it, buddy?
Yeah.
You gonna say hi?
Bye.
So we're in Brownville Junction. Almost as far north as you can get before you start really going into the North Woods. It's a small little tiny town. They don't have much here. We'll be doing some more videos of this area in some coming up videos. And we're going to also be heading north from this area eventually also. But looks like the locals have some fun here on the road. I'm going to guess at night. Oh, look at all those pigeons. Yeah, I know. I saw that. I saw the pigeons up there.
Oh my God, look at all their feathers all over the place there.
They've taken out all of the...
Well, this is something new for me because I didn't know that there were pigeons anywhere other than in the cities.
I think they're trying to invade.
But what we're here for is we're going to be, we got reservations to eat dinner at a small little tiny local establishment that apparently has some awesome reviews. And we may tell you about it after we're done, if it is as good as I hear it is.
There's definitely a monster hiding in there.
I think it's departing.
It's moving. It's moving.
I don't see a locomotive up there.
I don't know about this on there.
Maybe somebody let the brakes off, pal. And it's rolling downhill.
Oh no!
You want to put a penny underneath the wheel?
Why? Why would I do that?
It'll crush it.
Whatever that graffiti is, it looks like a cross between an elephant and a butterfly. And just a banana dude next to him. Oh God, now it's going the
Going
other way.
the other way. He must be all hooked up. I think he's leaving.
Oh, I got it. Ooh. You got a penny?
Warning, car may fall over.
I don't see any cars.
Each one of these is called a car.
I'm gonna say
I wonder what that is.
this is a long train.
What'd you say, pal?
This is a long train.
Not leaving until we see the end of this train.
Why is it slowing down?
Okay, I think maybe we might be leaving before we see the end of the train. I think he's parking. Uh-oh, it's rolling backwards. Oh no. Did he run out of gas?
What was that?
Oh no.
What's happening?
I'm thinking that was them applying the brakes on all the wheels.
Did they see, like, a deer on the tracks or something?
I don't know. All right. Let's go see if the Nana's looking for us. I had to get the lawnmower deck off, and this is what it looks like right now. I'll show you guys how to do that. Oh, here comes the little clown. I'll show you guys how to do that once I get used to doing it. Just realized I had the camera aimed into the sun. I don't mind showing you that I screw it up, each time, but you can see I tried the bucket at first, but that didn't work. All right, buddy, there's keys in there, so don't be touching anything. I'm just gonna have him take the grass off and put it in the bucket so we can get rid of it. I'm gonna hose that off. I gotta hose the tractor down, and I wanna hook up the box blade because I only have 3 days left. I was supposed to have another week, but I gotta get back to Plymouth. Some things came up. So I have to get back to Massachusetts, but I wanted to see if I could at least smooth this road over with the box blade before I go. And today's Wednesday. We got Thursday, which is going to be a decent day. So if I don't get this done today, because I'm new at this, Friday's going to rain, and Sunday I've got a guy coming for the chimney. So that's what we're doing right now. An air hose, to blow it all off would be a much better idea.
Don't forget in there.
I'm gonna get in there. I'm just trying to get all over here first. I'm gonna bring it into the sun and let it dry off. I don't know why this flat doesn't really, I thought it would be a nice little, almost like a pressure washer thing, but it ain't.
Yeah, that seems more like...
I don't feel like hooking the pressure washer up. All right, I think that's good enough for now. Let's get her in the sun to dry out.
Okay.
I have the tractor backed up to the bay. I've moved all my implements around, and on the dollies, and I've backed the tractor up. And what I'm doing now is I'm about to attach the 3-point hitch, and I'm gonna set this up on a tripod because my cameraman left and he's in reading a book, but he does watch occasionally from the window there. But I'm gonna hook this up. I'm gonna show you how I do this. All right, so as you can see, this one here is not lined up, but it will come out and I can push this in. I already got this pin over here in, and I'm just gonna line this one up and pull that in. And then just drop my little pins in so that should come out. And the same over here. I can adjust the turnbuckle over here because I want to angle the blade a little bit because I want that road to be a little flatter. So I'm going to take this top link because I don't have another one, and I'm going to install this top link on here. I'm going the wrong way. Just about enough threads to catch the top link. think. Ow. Don't do what I do. All right, that'll stay. All right, I might have to adjust that when I get over. Okay, so this is what we got to do before I start. And I'm sorry, guys. The GoPro battery died on me. So I'm on my cell phone. I know the quality is not as good on this, but it is what it is. And we got to get this job done. Anyway, what I got to do is I got to take this whole blade and I want to angle this up that way and angle this down, and that's what your turnbuckles are for down in here. Now if I take this one here by hand, and as I go this way it's getting tighter, so that tells me I'm lifting up, and if I go this way it gets real loose, that's going to drop it more. So we're going to go this way. It looks like clockwise looking at it from this angle, so I'm going to guess on the other end over here, this one is going to probably go counterclockwise to drop it, but I'm going to start with up here if I can. I mean, this nut is already loose. I wasn't even aware it was loose, but I'm not even sure if this, well, this should turn. But I'm thinking if we lengthen this, that will drop this side down, and if we shorten this end up over here, that will raise the other end up. Okay, I think I've got this adjusted for now. It is higher on this end over here, a lot lower in here. You can see that it's actually into the ground here, which is what I want. I want the back blade in. I'd like to get the front blade a little bit higher, but right now, and the blade over there is obviously definitely higher. Come over here, you can see it better. You can see the blade over here is definitely higher. My goal here is to kind of dig out this incline that's here, and let me just back up so you guys can see it. And I don't know how well that shows up on camera, but it all kind of swales that way. And I just want to kind of flatten it out. And eventually I'm probably going to put some rail ties over in here to hold the soil back against the garage. But right now, I'm just, this should be good. This should be good for now for me to just at least prep it for tomorrow so I can come back over and try what I'm going to try tomorrow, I think, if I don't get to it today. We'll see. We ran into a little snafu there with the GoPro batteries, so I had to put those on the charger, and we're running out of sunlight. It's probably about, I don't know, 7:30. We got some time. We'll get it done. I don't know.
my God. Oh! He just did something he didn't mean to. So, I did see something metal in some of the dirt over there.
Oh, well, shut that off and go find it.